Hey guys, it's Chris Appleton with Colourwell. Today I'm going to show you how to really pump up the volume using the new Xtra Large Volumizing Foam by Colourwell. So we're going to start on damp hair. I generally like to use 1 to 3 pumps per quarter of hair and apply it from root to tip, making sure that the product is evenly distributed because we want all of this amazing volumizing technology to work on each strand of hair. What I love about this product is it contains no salt nor no alcohol that will dry the hair out, which really do compromise on the end result of your hair. One last tip before we blow dry. I like to use 1 pump of the product when we've finished applying throughout the whole head of hair, and then I like to just literally rub it all around the hairline. And a lot of people tend to have flyaways or baby hairs. It really gives you that lift when you blow dry or air dry, and it gives you much more hold and really just helps with that whole volumizing effect. Now, you don't have to use heat on this product, which is honestly one of the things I love about it. If you don't want to use heat, obviously you can just leave the hair to dry. You can instantly feel that even when the product is in the hair, how much volume it instantly has. You can feel the volume, and you can also feel that the hair is much more pliable. I'm going to use heat because we're going to get maximum volume, and I really want to show this product off. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you the results. I've just blow drying the front section so you can see you instantly get a really nice pliable amount of volume. You can move it around from side to side. The hair still has a great shine. That's what I love about this product. Not only does it give it volume, but it also has your heat protection in, which for me is really important. And I know now this is hair I can play with. It's pliable, it has hold, and still gives you that really beautiful finish, which I think is what beautiful hair is all about. Okay guys, as you can see, we've finished styling the hair into that bombshell look using the Xtra Large styling foam. What I love about this look is not only is it full of volume and bounce, but it also has a great shine and the hair moves. And that for me is what seals the deal. Try it.